Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this time this is a reading for your career, your health, your finances and your love life as well. I'll just check into the energy of each and every aspect of your life. So yeah, and I will do the love readings again, detailed love reading again as I usually do. So I was getting so much of requests for doing this type of reading, so I am doing that. I'm just starting that. I'll see the response of how you guys are going to respond to this. So Libra, let's start with your career. If you are doing some kind of business, Libra, let's see how it's going to be in September. If you are doing some kind of business, just give me a second. Let's see. The card fell for you. If you are in a business thing, Four of Pentacles, you will hold back a lot. You will try to save as much as possible. Basically, you will feel like I'm not going to overspend. I'm not going to over analyze or overdo anything. I will just work in my environment, like in a circle. I'm going to work in a circle. I'm not going to go beyond that, because this is how I'm able to do this. So you are going to be a total control freak regarding your business. You have to release this energy of control, and you have to. I'm not saying to you that please overdo or please overspend or overanalyze or anything like that. But please release this energy. Otherwise, it's never going to be beneficial for you or fruitful for you. You're never going to be never going to get a positive result from your business if you are going to be like very strict, like this is my thing, this is the money that I'm going to spend on the business, otherwise fuck this business. No, don't do that. Okay, if you want some kind of benefits, you just have to release the control, and proper planning is required here. Don't overdo anything, but don't control everything, right? This is the thing. Cool. Let's see if you are in a job. How's your job life going to be in September? Let's see. Cards are literally jumping for you, Libras. I'm not doing anything, they're just jumping for you here and there. Seven of Cups. If you're in job, you're looking for options. You are looking for your for options in your job life. If you are in job, you are applying for lots of jobs. I feel like you are applying for jobs here and there, like that. Yeah, okay, whatever is coming, I'll just take it. You are not like happily doing that. You are not happy at your job environment. Might be there's some kind of toxicity or negativity that you are dealing with right now. That's you're looking for options. That's why you are looking for options right now in your job. And I feel like you will get job offers, but they will not be that good as you are right now. Okay, if you're jobless, obviously, if you're unemployed, this job is going to give you a positive hope, a positivity that yeah, finally something is happening. Finally I got a job. Finally I have something to do in my life. Otherwise, if you're already doing a job, I feel like you should stay at the job. You should stay at the place wherever you are for at least next 2 to 3 months. Okay, because I'm not getting the vibe of getting a very good job, a very positive environment regarding your job life if you are going to change. Obviously, you're looking for options. It's good, you should, but don't just jump to another job, from one job to another job like this. Okay, just calm down, relax, and proper planning and plotting is required here. Cool. Let's see what's your health. How's your health going to be? What about your health? How's your health going to be in September, Libra? Let's see. Ten of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Finally, you will be very happy. Finally, you will get some kind of relief from a long term illness or long term. Might be you were dealing with some kind of surgery or some kind of injury or something like that. Finally, you're going to get relief from that. Okay, and I'm feeling like you will get it like nearby 10 or 11 September. It's going to be really, it's going to make you really happy. It's going to make you feel like yeah, I'm free now, I'm relieved now. Finally, this thing is coming out of me, this illness is coming out of me. It's going to really make you feel happy. Then in the later part of September, I feel like you should take baby steps. Don't jump into any kind of fitness regime just like that. Yeah, I'm okay now. I should go to gym and I should just like restart. Blah blah blah. It's okay. It's okay. I can understand the pressure you are having right now, that you want to be fit or you want to be physically fit or something like that. But take baby steps. Don't overdo. Don't jump into any kind of thing right now. Don't spend your money just like on that regime, on that program and blah blah blah. Don't do that. Proper planning and proper care is required here. Otherwise, you are going to be on the same spot as you are right now or as you were right now regarding your health. Okay, so Yeah, you will recover from this health issue, definitely you will, but you have to be slow and patient. Okay, slow and patient, it's the thing. This is the thing. And the cups energy here might be emotionally you are not happy right now. Emotionally you are going through some kind of shit right now, and I feel like there will be some emotional balance also coming towards you uh, nearby 10th or 12th or 15th of September. Okay, let's see how's your finances going to be in September. How's your finances going to be in September, Libra? Let's see. How's your finances going to be? Manifesting. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I feel like you will create some kind of magic by your work. Okay, and I feel like you're manifesting some kind of good luck in your life regarding your finances and money. And this time, this manifestation is coming to fruition. Might be you're doing hard work from a very long time, and you are now asking the universe that please help me and please give me the reward of my hard work, or please give me some kind of good luck so that I can earn good money. Guess what? The universe is answering to your manifestation, and good luck is coming to her. I mean, money flow is coming towards you. I'm not saying you are going to be billionaire or millionaire just like that, no. But yes, some kind of decent amount of money is coming towards you after the manifestation thing. I feel like you might be using law of attraction technique, or you are using some kind of meditation technique to attract money towards you. Of course, you are doing hard work as well, but for some of you, for most of you, consciously or subconsciously you are doing this. You are doing the manifestation regarding your money and regarding your finances, and the table is turning in your favor, and it's really looking good. Finances are really looking good for you in September. Nice. So let's see what's your love life is going to, how's your love life going to be if you're single and if you're in relationship. Let's see. If you're single, I will do the love reading as usual in detail in the next video for you guys. Let's see how's your love life going to be. How's your love life going to be if you're single? Death. I feel like you had a recent breakup with somebody and you're coming out of this phase of separation. You are not in a happy mood right now, but you will come out of this phase. Trust me, Libra. You are not in happy mood. You are transforming. This is a transition phase of your life, and that's fucking difficult to come through. This is fucking difficult to to deal with, but you are dealing with it, and you will be able to come out of the situation. Don't worry, Libras. So you are still coming out of the separation thing, Libras, if you're single. If you're in a relationship with somebody, let's see how will be the energy. Sun could be dealing with a Leo here. You will be really happy. You will be really happy with your partner, whomsoever you're dealing with. I feel like you're going to meet this person after so long that it's really going to make you feel like, wow, finally I'm meeting this person. Finally, we guys are together. Finally, we guys are like having fun and having laughing with each other or something like that. But in relationship, I feel like some Leo person is going to make you really happy. Okay, there might be they will be Leo sun or sun moon Venus rising, anything. I'm fumbling, I don't know why, because I'm constantly talking from past 1 hour. Okay, so yes, this is going to make you really happy. You are going to meet this person after so long that you are going to feel like, yes, might be you are going to have tears of joy in your eyes. Okay, it's beautiful. I will do the detailed reading for you guys, Libra, in the next video as usual that I do. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, and namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Bye.